I love the fantastic atmosphere, and I love to make cinematic stories that pull us into other worlds. But this story is remarkable. A story that started in my head years ago. A story that was born on a paper. A story of loss and death. A story that gives hope to others. And today, I'm excited to present my new Blender Masterclass. The Island of the Dead is dramatic story and atmospheric cinematic animation that we'll create from scratch in this masterclass. In The Island of the Dead, we'll craft a haunting cinematic scene in Blender through 16 detailed video tutorials. We'll start by shaping a creepy mountain in Blender that looks like a skull, turning the simple shapes into haunting centerpiece of our scene, setting the stage to our story. Next, we'll sculpt rugged rocks around our skull-shaped cliff in Blender, making it look worn and ancient, as if it been guarding secrets from centuries. Then we'll add a spooky look to our rocks in Blender, using procedural rock materials crafted with Blender's building method to make them feel like they are wrought in a way shaped by the ocean's endless waves. We'll create a chilling atmosphere in Blender by adding fog and soft light, wrapping our scene in a mystery haze that makes it feel cold and ghostly. After that, we'll bring movements to our scene in Blender, animating waves and fog to make the world feel alive, looping perfectly to capture the mystery in motion. And with my new approach to cinematic animation in Blender, we will use color grading techniques right in the Blender to turn our scene into a deep and atmospheric movie. In this masterclass, you will not need any add-ons, so you can create everything with the tools you already have. Plus, I will show you how to save hours on rendering animation in Blender. We'll create a long background cinematic animation without needs to render the whole scenes, using clever tricks to make it look perfectly and look alive with mystery. Ready to master cinematic animation and create your own haunting tale? Create your mystery story in Blender with me. Follow the links in the description to get the Island of the Dead masterclass now and start your journey today. Let's animate something spooky that will leave everyone speechless. I hope to see you on this masterclass.